Yeah, so my name is Thies. I'm a visual consultant here at DK Global.
So my name is Hugo Conchucos, and I'm the lead 3D generalist here at DK Global. So I've been working here at DK Global for a little more than 5 years. A lead 3D generalist is a jack of all trades, essentially. So every day I get together with my project manager and we just talk about the projects when they're due, kind of feedback from the client we have, and that helps us prioritize which projects need to be done right now as opposed to tomorrow.
When it comes to storyboards, they are more of a rough depiction or even an illustration to what the end product is going to be. But it's our first attempt to take what we had verbally discussed and put our ideas and pen to paper.
Storyboards are essentially the blueprints to an animation. We want to make sure that, if we're using blueprint as an example here, that the buyer and the contractor are on the same page in regards to where the kitchen needs to be, for example. And that's the same case with animations. We want to make sure everybody's on board so there's no surprises later.
The goal of creating storyboards is to ensure the entire team is on the same page. So when we are tasked with putting together an animation, a presentation, there are a lot of moving parts. There's numerous experts, there's attorneys, there's co-counsel, there are clients in some particular cases. So there's a lot of moving parts, and it's very fantastical for us to all say, oh, this is what the presentation is going to be. It's another thing for us to actually see it and accomplish that goal. So a storyboard is the very first way for all of us to ensure this is how the presentation is going to look.
Storyboards help hasten the production process by eliminating mistakes and redos. I think the biggest cost-saving component is getting things done right the first time. It's more of a measure twice and cut once situation with storyboards.
Storyboards help our clients because it ensures that we're on the right path. The storyboard allows for them to ensure that the product is going in the correct direction, because the last thing you want to have happen is you sign up, you discuss a project, and then you receive what is supposed to be the final version of that project, and they say, this isn't right. This is what I thought about. There's a 100% cost-saving component in storyboards, again, because you always want to be moving forward when it comes to any sort of visual production.
You don't want to show the interior walls already painted and the client seeing it for the first time and him be like, you know what, this is wrong. That wall should be over there. And then we have to tear everything down and build it up again. And that's the same case with 3D.
Storyboards assist in the publication in court, the admittance into court, through the process of the client asking their expert, did you have a helping hand in developing this presentation? If your expert is not involved in that production process at all, there's a high possibility and probability that the visual would not be accepted because your expert didn't have a say in how it was produced. And that's what that storyboard allows. It provides the opportunity for an expert to create any additions for paving that path to getting into court.